stood in this square off the Kurfurstendamm, with a lot of cafes and things similar, and shops. We've got this very interesting bird cage with what seems to be parrots inside. There's one. Oh, maybe I can home in. Very unusual. I wonder what they do here in the winter though. Do they leave them here? Or do they take them somewhere a bit warmer? There's one thing certain, they're not going to be too happy here. Red ones. There's some green ones. Fortunately, I don't know the names of the species. It's not a mammal, and I'm not so good on birds as I am on mammals.